So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure you're on the playback tab and you want to find your correct device that you want to use. If you do not see your device here, then you want to right click on the blank space. Make sure you have show disabled devices ticked and show dissented devices also ticked. And now once you're on this, you want to find your headphones or your speakers that you actually want to use. So in my case, I want to be using these speakers. You may want to use some headphones or something else. You want to find what you want to use and you want to make sure that it's set as a default device. So you want to click on what you want to use and then you want to click on set default and then the green tick will appear right here, meaning that it's now a default device, and then click on OK. And then once you do that, you want to scroll up and then next to output, you want to make sure that you also have your correct device selected right here. So under output, you want to select your correct device as well. And now for the next step, you want to click on the speaker icon in the bottom right of your taskbar. And then you want to click on this, select the sound output, and make sure that on the output device, you have the correct speakers or your headphones selected. And then after that, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to audio, you want to click on run. Wait for this to load, and then this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then you want to click on yes, and you want to follow all the steps that will come up, and then hopefully this will fix the problem. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.